Once the human mind is established in the 1320 timing frequency, then the frequency locks will open. These frequencies are now stored in the underground cave that connects the top of the pyramid of the sun to the center of the earth, and to the higher guiding forces outside, the Watchers. This is all part of an ancient meditation held for eons by seers, who are now in other dimensions, watching this vision and holding this vibration. The vision of the fifth world, the fifth planet of consciousness, was foreseen from the time of the destruction of Maldek. When Maldek was destroyed, there emerged the creation of an etheric cosmic egg. In the center of the cosmic egg was the vision of the nexus point of the planetary logos as the pyramid of the sun. This nexus point contains 5 layers that correspond to the power of the fifth root race, Serpent Initiate of Wisdom. The pyramids were built so well that their structure and frequency range are still standing now at the end of the cycle. We are now in the stage of the purification of the 5 senses. The 1260 world of materialism is the biggest hindrance to purifying our sense organs. The activation of the noosphere is dependent on the release from the 1260 mental field and the establishment of a new collective mental house. This represents the collectivization of the human imagination and mind and the planetization of consciousness. The research of Russian scientist Alexei Dmitriev demonstrates that the sun has been undergoing incredible changes, especially in the last 15 years, with the last sunspot cycle. Another cycle will peak in 2012-2013. This will be the final sunspot cycle in the 13 Baktuns of history. Since we are the sun, and life depends on the sun, then changes in the sun will result in the reorganization of life on Earth. All of this is part of the coming 6th sun of consciousness. This involves what some might call an apocalyptic shakedown of the old order, based on the illusions strung together on the notion of artificial time and artificial means of exchange, primarily money. This shakedown is experienced as apocalyptic to the degree in which there is dependency on the technosphere. This has all been foretold in many prophecies, including Mayan, Christian, and Native American. Apocalyptic shakedown has to occur for purification to be complete. Knowledge of the solar ring and the 13-moon 28-day calendar is the salvation of planet Earth. It is a cosmic mechanism that creates a frequency that matches the solar frequency. The 1328 frequency locks in perfectly with the 1320 frequency to create a 52-year solar galactic loop, the measure of Sirius B in its orbit around Sirius A. The ending of the 9th Hill in 1987 was the beginning of the time of prophecy, 1987-2012. This is the time allotted for the human beings to get their act together. The timing of the prophecy is very precise and accurate. This has to be done by means of the human paranormal potential, which depends upon the right use of power. The right use of power is to exert in a way that is increasingly magical in its applications and effects, so that we can assist humanity over the bridge into the next time-space. When we establish the solar ring, Tolan can be returned and the new time-space will emerge in all its glory.